How to make a to-do list with the ability to add, edit, delete, and store data in local storage. In the index.html file, in the body section, we create a div element with a class container to hold the entire application. Inside the container, we have an h2 element displaying the heading to-do list. We then have an input element with the ID task input for users to input new tasks, an add task button to add tasks, and an empty URL element with the ID task list to display the list of tasks. In styles.css we have a body, sets the font family and the background color. .container defines the styling for the container element that holds the entire to-do list application. h2 centers the text within h2 elements. Input type text styles the input field for adding new tasks. Button styles the buttons used in this application. UL removes default list styles such as bullet points and padding. Li defines the styling for individual task items in the list. Li span styles the task text within each list item. In script.js we have task input and task list are declared to reference the input field and the list element in the HTML respectively. An event listener is added to the window object to trigger when the page loads. When the page loads, the application retrieves tasks from local storage. If there are tasks saved, they are passed from JSON format and add it to the task list using the add task element function. The add task function is called when the add task button is clicked. It gets the task text from the input field, trims any leading or trailing white space, and creates a task object with a unique identifier and the task text. The add task element function creates a new li element for a task and adds it to the task list. The task element includes the task text, an edit button, and a delete button. Each button is assigned a click event that calls the edit task and delete task functions, passing the task ID as an augment. The delete task function removes a task element from the DOM where the delete button is clicked. The edit task function allows users to edit a task. When the edit button is clicked, it prompts the user with a dialog to input the new task text. Save task saves the task to local storage by first retrieving existing tasks, pushing the new task onto the array, and then storing the updated array in local storage. Remove task from local storage removes the task from local storage by filtering out the task with a specified ID from the array of tasks and updating local storage with a filtered array. Update task in local storage updates the text of a task in local storage by finding the task with the specified ID, updating its text, and then storing the updated array in local storage. As a result, we got a to-do list with the ability to add, edit, delete, as well as with local storage.